Does paella need a special rice? The best rice for paella is Bomba rice, also loved as Valencia rice or rice of Valencia. Valencia is the region that paella is said to have originated from. The other common rice is called Calasparra rice, a region in Spain where it is grown. What is a substitute for Bomba rice? Or what rice is most like paella rice? Short grain rice or Arroz Redondo round rice is preferred for paella, and in Spain the main varieties used for paella are senia, Bomba, bahfa, and thaibonnet. Italian Arborio rice is often used as a substitute for Bomba because Arborio is widely available. If you use this variety of rice, you need to adjust the liquid in your recipe, so you are using 2 cups of water or broth for every cup of rice. Do you wash paella rice, or should you wash paella rice? When you are making paella or any other Spanish rice dish, don't wash the rice, for it needs its outer coating of starch. Due to the starches in risotto and paella, washing the rice will ruin the dish, as starch is a big component of its success. How many cups of Bomba rice do I need for paella? Figure 1/3 to 1/2 cup uncooked rice per person.